Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today, we're just gonna do an update on what's happening. So, I don't know if I showed this in the last video or not, but I have 3 golden fire skulls now, and I'm now doing 41.2T, and I got a lot of crowns, and now I am numbers. This is amazing. And I'm so hoping to get to top 7 this of the week. I think because my pets, I'm getting a crap ton, as you can see here. And 17 big user. That is a lot. So crown leaderboard. I'm gonna see this boss leaderboard. Crowns people. I know someone and I keep my grind over here. I'm gonna just to check. Now I'm at 58.3 sold down, which is I'll check. Okay, 10 trillion. So increased, and I'll show you pet stats. 4,000 crown on that. I get rid of this vortex drag, golden file. Yeah, I'm pretty the Arius had simulated, so that's pretty sad. I'm a fan of the throwing some, so I'm looking and Rob Simulator, aka Zeke and channel. Yeah, but anyway, here are my 80,000 and 80 string and 60 crowns. So yeah, this is the end of the. I just wanted to do a video, and yeah, so that's the end of this. Hope you guys know. I'll see you in a phase when I update video. Goodbye.